Welcome back everyone to Unicorn Reel. Today we will be looking at our home planet, Earth. So stick around to see if you learn something new. Let's begin. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbour life. Orbiting the Sun every 365.25 days, since our calendar year only has 365 days, we add an extra day every 4 years as a leap year. Though we can't feel Earth moving through the orbit around the Sun at an average speed of 18.5 miles a second, Earth is around 93 million miles away from the Sun. The Earth rotates on its axis at an angle of 23.4 degrees. This allows us to have seasons. So, whichever hemisphere is tilted closest to the Sun will experience summer, and the hemisphere tilted away will experience winter. About 29% of Earth's surface is land, made up of continents and islands. The remaining 71% is covered with water, as oceans, lakes and rivers. Earth's outer crust is divided into several tectonic plates that constantly move around the surface, with an interior active with a solid iron inner core. The magnetic field that's generated by the planet's rotation and its inner core is a teardrop-shaped shield around Earth, protecting it from high-energy particles from the Sun. However, some particles escape and funnel through to Earth's poles and collide with the atmosphere, creating auroras, better known as the Northern Lights. Life on Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago, and within the first billion years of the Earth's history, life appeared within the oceans and began to affect the planet's atmosphere. Some geological evidence suggests that a combination of the distance from the Sun and Earth's physical properties have allowed life to evolve and thrive. However, over 99% of all species that have ever lived on Earth are extinct. Almost 8 billion humans live on Earth today and depend on natural resources for survival. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, such as the Sun and the Moon. The Moon, with a diameter of about 1/4 of that of Earth's, the gravitational attraction between Earth and the Moon causes tides on Earth. Here are some mind-blowing facts about Earth that you may have not known before. Number 1. Did you know that Earth has never been perfectly round? In fact, the planet bulges around the equator by an extra 0.3%. However, this variation is too small to see from space, so appearing round to the human eye. Number 2. The length of the days on Earth are increasing because the Moon is slowing down Earth's rotation. The Moon is about 385,000 kilometers away from Earth. Our natural satellite is slowly spiraling away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches per year, causing the planet to rotate slower. Number 3. About 600 to 800 million years ago, Earth experienced several extreme changes to its climate, becoming so cold that some believed that Earth almost completely froze. Number 4. The driest place on Earth is the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, which is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean, with an average annual rainfall of up to 0.8 millimeters. And finally, number 5. The atmosphere on Earth is made up of nitrogen and plenty of oxygen. This atmosphere protects the planet from meteorites and other flying objects in space, most of which get burnt up before hitting the surface, keeping us safe. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unicorn Reel on Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, keep looking up